All right, welcome to Kingdom Word Forest Academy. We are looking at gold for this week, 5th to 9th January 2026. As you can see from our chart, gold has been in a strong bullish trend for a long time now. You can see from the chart, gold has been in a very strong bullish trend. Right now, we are seeing a pullback after hitting that high. You see the high, you see the high, you can see gold got to this high, and right now there is a pullback. We're seeing a pullback, and after hitting that high. Also, looking at the CPRO analysis, now here's something very critical. Both the daily CPRO and the weekly CPRO are showing bearish signals. Let me show you the weekly. This is CPRO for this coming week. Daily CPRO for this coming week. There is a CPRO you can use to check the CPRO for the upcoming week, upcoming day, and all of that. So this very one now, the week that is starting tomorrow or this night, this is a CPRO for on Monday. This very one, our daily CPRO is a CPRO for Monday. Price is below it. Also, if you look at the weekly CPRO, this week CPRO that is starting from tomorrow, you can look at it. The CPRO for this week is the CPRO for the week. Look at the CPRO for the week. Okay, it's also bearish. Price is below it. You can see the price here. You can see the price here is below this CPRO. See these three lines? It's called the CPRO. This is the weekly CPRO. Price is below it. Then the daily CPRO, price is also below it. Price is also below the daily CPRO, making this week a bearish week. Making this week a what? A bearish week. Making it a bearish week. Which this is very important. This is important confirmation for our directional buyers, and knowing that gold is already in a corrective phase. It's pulling back, so the CPRO now confirms our buyers. So this week, first and foremost, what price will do first and foremost is say, okay, looking at the key levels to watch, you can see this level here, this zone, this red zone, that is support turned resistance. Price broke through that support. This is a resistance. Price broke through that support. This is support, I mean to say. Price broke through it, and that support turned resistance. So price now is coming back to that support that is turned resistance. To what? To take out this liquidity. This is liquidity here that price must take out and tap into this zone. So I am watching this liquidity to be taken out. So first and foremost, what I will do, I will take my buy to this level of liquidity. I take my buy from this 432 from around. Once market opens, I'll take my buy. Then I will take my target to this point where liquidity is, around that 4,400. Then I will now wait for a confirmation to take a sell. I'll take a sell down towards this. This is also a liquidity zone at this close to this support. So liquidity there. Price is going to also sweep that liquidity into this FVG, 4 hours FVG. So you see, there's a very strong, good opportunity here. So I'm first of all take a buy towards this liquidity zone. Then from there, I take a sell down to this place. Then once I wait, after clearing this liquidity, I also watch out for a buy again around this demand zone, because on the long run, gold is bullish. So I first of all take a buy, wait for the liquidity to be taken out, then take a sell again down to this demand zone, waiting for this liquidity to be swept into the demand zone. Then watch out for confirmation to take a buy again towards this high 4,500. So what we need to do first and foremost, this week is bearish for gold. Is bearish for gold. Is bearish for gold. Price will first of all take a buy before going down. It's going to drop. So I like us to take that, to watch that very closely. Let the liquidity be taken out first before you take a sell. Don't take a sell until that liquidity is taken out. So if you look at it from my, I'm going to take, let me show you. I'm going to take first and foremost, take a buy from around here, wait for price to pull back, take a buy, good, take a buy around this zone, this liquidity zone, 4,400. Good. Take a buy from there. Then after which there is take a buy from here to this point. You can see. Then again, once the liquidity is taken out, I'm gonna what? This liquidity has to be taken out. So price will sweep this liquidity into this zone. Then you wait for confirmation signal, then take a sell down. This is another liquidity. See, you can see it's another liquidity that will be taken out, will be swept into this zone. You can see the whole thing. This is how this trade is going to play out. So friends, I'd like you to watch out, be patient, don't jump in early, wait for price to do its liquidity run first, then catch the move down. This is how professionals trade. Let the market show its hand before we're coming. Let's see how this unfolds. Stay disciplined and wait for your setup. Thank you.